Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your activity history on Facebook so you can view your past likes, comments, posts, and other activity all in one place. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Let's get started. Once you're on Facebook, tap the menu icon. From there, open Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now scroll down until you reach the Your Activity section and tap Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of everything you've done on your account. Next, expand Your Facebook Activity to view all the available categories. Here, you'll find sections for your comments, reactions, posts, and many other types of activity. For example, if you open Comments and Reactions, you'll see a complete history of the posts you've interacted with over time. If you're looking for something specific, you can also tap the filter icon to narrow the results by date or any other available option, making it much easier to find a particular activity. From here, simply browse through your activity history whenever you need to review something you've previously liked, commented on, or posted. And that's it. Now you know how to find your activity history on Facebook.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.